Hello YouTube, sorry for the sound. It's just a quick update, but the sound is going to be horrible right now because there aren't any objects in this room anymore, and this room used to be my studio, but it's now empty because my family and I are moving to a new place, a new house in a different area with a much bigger painting studio for me, which is going to be a good upgrade because this room was kind of getting small, I tell you. So it's a great step for us. We're all pretty excited, but it's kind of nostalgic to have to pack everything. And yeah, we're moving pretty soon, so of course the video schedule is not going to be the same, but I do have some content prepared for you guys, so don't worry, you'll still have some things, but not your usual, weekly videos. But I do have some things prepared, so I'm just going to show you all my paintings stacked, not all of them, but you see I stacked them with a little space between them, tight, one facing the other, so that the back is basically protecting, and the face is protected, and only the back is reachable by like this. It's going to be a pretty stressful moment. Moving is always stressful, but it's going to be fun. Here are some more paintings and stuff everywhere. So like I said, there's not going to be like your usual video schedule, but I'll do my best to keep the content coming, and I'll probably make a setup video or a setup series because it's going to take a while for me to set up in the new place. I don't even know exactly everything I need to do. Still, when you're not there, you cannot visualize the amount of stuff that you're going to have to do. So I don't know, it's going to take a while before I can paint again, but I'm gonna make the best out of this time and rethink about a way to make this new studio a great place, both for the painting, the videos, maybe workshops, maybe streaming. I mean, I'm gonna make this place a great new studio. I'm gonna take my time to make it a place that's just enjoyable to be in. And that's about it. So that was just a quick update. Thank you very much for all the support and the nice words on my newest video. Thank you for everything. And yeah, I'll see you in a new house with a new studio. And until then, have fun painting and have fun drawing. Bye.